This is a new week. Let's get started and see what the crypto market is really doing. So the market is green, as you can see. We have Bitcoin at 92,200. We have Ethereum sitting around $3,164. We have XRP up $2. We have BNB around $909. Solana around $142,000 for $142. Wow, that would be huge for Solana if Solana ever gets there. So $142 for Solana, and Dogecoin is up 2%. ADA is less than 1% still. So what is really happening? Should we buy? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Being that the market is green today. Now, my answer to that is this. One thing you shouldn't look at should always be the price. Never look at prices to determine your investment decision. Prices were designed to deceive you. Today the market could be green, tomorrow the market could be red. So what you should look out for to make your investment decision is always things that are not present on the chart, on the price. Never look at price. Look at things that are not prices. Like what? Like circle, like strength, like structure. And those are the things upon which I base my decision. And you can see that we have been accurate. We have been saying this level is a strong area of resistance. Wait. Right? Why? Because I'm not looking at the price. Even when the price were palatable, like our market is going up, everything is pumping and the rest of them, I wasn't looking at the price. I was telling you guys, wait. Are we buying? Are we selling? Are we waiting? What is my decision? Right? So for now, let's look at the chart before I can make that decision. Everything I do is purely predicated upon the chart. You guys know I do just technical analysis. So if you look at the chart right here, what is happening? Bitcoin again is heading to that price level. So I would say that the crypto market is officially in a chop. That's what I can say. Officially in a chop. What is the chop? Well, the chop or choppy market or sideways market is when the market is just bouncing around the range, right? Breaking out neither to the upside nor breaking to the downside. It's just in a range. So that's what we are likely seeing right here, the crypto market being in a chop, right? So what is Bitcoin? Should we buy? Again, like I told you, it's always suicide. If you didn't listen to me and when Bitcoin was pumping to this level and you go to buy, it would have committed portfolio suicide. You would have lost money. Again, Bitcoin is heading to this price level, right? This is the price level right here. What should you do? If you've been following this channel, you know you never buy when the market is heading into a resistance. So the market is going up, and there is a roadblock here and the market is trying to hit it. Allow for the market to break through that roadblock, retest on the roadblock, and then start going up. That's what we do here. So the same thing is applicable on the Bitcoin chart. We want the market to break through this, retest before we can buy. That is the first case scenario. Now, another case might be that Bitcoin fails to break through, it crashes down to $87,000. Which is the level that we are looking. That will be another level to look out for. If Bitcoin get to that level, to me, the best level to buy so far. Best level to buy. $87,000, $85,000, around that range, price range. Or 87, 85. Best range to buy. Right? So never buy in a channel. Bitcoin is stuck in a channel. It's stuck in a choppy market. Let's see what the market is going to do, what Bitcoin is going to do. Because when the Bitcoin is in a channel, it shows or signals indecision, right? Buyers are buying, sellers are selling. So nobody is clearly winning, right? So when Bitcoin breaks out and it comes down to the bottom part of the indecision, why I'm not interested in selling is because the short-term strength is strong to the downside, to the upside. So if I want to do sell, if I want to do a quick buy or sell, I often work with the short-term strength because that's what works faster, right? So if the short-term strength comes down, if the market comes down here, I'll be looking to buy. So if the market comes down to this level, we are going to buy. If it breaks above and retests on this level, we are going to buy. So that's it for Bitcoin. For now, what is my decision on Bitcoin? You still wait. It's not yet time to buy. Not yet time to buy. Patience is gold. Patience is gold in this business. It's something that is a lesson I learned the hard way. Right? Don't worry. You are not in this thing to make money tomorrow or next tomorrow. You need to make money in 1 year, in 6 months, or for the rest of your life. Right? So do not be in a haste to try and get into the market. Time the market properly, and you are going to thank me later for it. Right? So stay patient. When it is time, I'm going to update you guys on this channel. So that's it for Bitcoin. It's not yet time to buy Bitcoin. My decision is you wait. Don't buy yet. Not yet time to buy. And the same goes for every other cryptocurrency that I have called here. For Ethena, for Render. I love Render a lot because Render is looking really, really bullish. In as much as I love Render a lot, that doesn't mean I should rush in and buy at a level that is at a time that is wrong, right? Which is something I used to do before. For those of you who've been following me, it's something I used to do before, and I'll now be regretting it, and I'll see it, and I'll now be regretting it. So Render, Render. This is Render. So like we see, Render is at a very strong area of resistance. It's trying to break above that resistance. If it does break above the resistance and retest, we are going to buy. If it comes down to this level, we are going to buy. For me, Render is my top pick, like because of the aggression, sheer aggression with which it moves. This move right here was close to 100% move. That's insane. It took gold 1 year to move 50 to 60%. It took Render less than a month to move 100%. Right? So that's huge, right? So that's huge. Keep an eye on Render. Render is something I am really, really interested in. And I told you guys about Shiba Inu. I told you about Toncoin, the coin that is owned by Telegram. I told you about Polkadot. All these coins are set to do really well. I told you about Ethereum Classic. I told you about Mantle, right? Then I also told you guys about Ethereum. I told you about a cryptocurrency called Ethena, right? These ones are good too. WorldCoin, nice cryptocurrency. Trump coin is going to pump definitely. So these are all the coins that I am literally interested in. I'm interested in all the coins in the crypto market. These are the coins that I am interested in, right? So I'll keep you guys informed when it is time to go in. Thank you and God bless you.